Good morning, everybody. Today topic is magnitude and phase spectrum of the DFT. Find the DFT of the sequence is x of n equal 1 for 0 less than n less than 1. It equal to 1, otherwise it is 0. For n equal to 3, n.3 point DFT. Sketch the magnitude and phase spectrum. First we calculate the DFT of the given sequence. Given sequence is x of n equal to 1 for 0 less than n less than or equal to 1. That means otherwise it's 0. So x of n equal to sequence equal to x of n equal to, suppose 0 to 1 finite length, 0, 1, we given that 3 point DFT, so 0, 1, 2. In this 0 దగ్గర value ఎంత 1, 0 దగ్గర 0 less than or equal to n less than 1 means 0, 1 దగ్గర value వచ్చేసి 1 x of n value, so it is 1, otherwise 0, 2 దగ్గర 0. This is expression of given sequence x of n. This is value is x of 0, this value is x of 1, this value is x of 2. Therefore x of 0 equal to 1, x of 1 equal to 1, x of 2 equal to 2. Therefore we know that DFT of x of n is formula x of k equal to sigma n equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n e power minus j 2 pi by n nk. Here 0 less than or equal to k less than or equal to n minus 1. Given that n equal to 3, then sigma n equal to 0 to 3 minus 1 means 3 minus 1, or x of n e power minus j 2 pi by n means 2 pi by n means n equal to 3. Here small n is small n into k. Therefore expand the expression x of k equal to sigma n equal to 0 to 3 minus 1 means 2, x of n e power minus j 2 pi by 3 nk. It expand this expression x of 0 e power minus j 2 pi by 3 into 0 into k plus x of 1 n plus lo next 1 e power minus j 2 pi by 3 n plus lo 1 into k plus x of 2, sorry, it's plus x of 2 e power minus j 2 pi by 3 2 into k. Here k equal to 0 less than or equal to k less than or equal to n minus 1. You know that this. Therefore x of k equal to x of 0 e power minus j 2 pi by 3 into 0 into something 0 e power minus 0 plus x of 1 e power minus j 2 pi by 3 into k plus x of 2 e power minus j 2 into 2 4 pi by 3 into k. Here 0 less than or equal to k less than or equal to n minus 1. Therefore x of k equal to x of 0 equal to 1 e power is a power 0 something equal to 1 plus x of 1 equal to 1 e power minus j 2 pi by 3 to k plus x of 2 equal to 2 into e power minus j 4 pi by 3 into k. Here 0 less than or equal to k less than or equal to n minus 1. Therefore x of k equal to 1 into 1 plus e power minus j 2 pi by 3 to k plus 2 into e power minus j 4 pi by 3 to k. Here 0 less than or equal to k less than or equal to n minus 1 means 3 minus 1, that equal 0 less than or equal to k less than or equal to 2. Therefore x of k equal to 1 plus, we expand the expression for k equal to 0. For k equal to 0, then for x of 0 equal to 1 plus e power minus j 2 pi by 3 into 0 plus 2 into e power minus j 4 pi by 3 into 0. Here k equal to 0. Therefore 1 plus e power 0 2 into e power 0. Therefore it is equal to 1 plus e power 0 is 1, 2 into e power 0 into 1. Therefore 1 plus 2 equal 4. Therefore k equal to 1. X of 1 equal to 1 plus, substitute this expression, this equation 1 plus e power minus j 2 pi by 3 to k plus 1, that equal to 1 plus 2 into e power minus j 4 pi by 3 into 1. Therefore 1 plus e power minus j 2 pi by 3 plus 2 into e power minus j 4 pi by 3. Therefore from Euler's theorem, a trigonometric e power minus j theta equal to, that e power minus I theta equal to cos theta minus I sin theta. We expand this expression. Therefore value is 1 plus, we are using Cal C in this complex mode and radiance mode in this. Then after goes to cos theta minus I sin theta. Cos, your theta value is 2 pi by 3. Cos of 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 bracket close minus I sin 2 pi by 3. I sin 2 this value is equal to minus 0.5. 2 into e power minus j 4 pi by 3. This is also cos of 4 pi bracket close minus I sin 4 pi by 3 bracket close. This is also equal to minus 0.5. Therefore 1 plus, therefore 1 minus 0.5 into 2 into minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 equal to minus 0.5. X of 1 equal to minus 0.5. Then goes to k equal to 2. Substitute. Therefore x of 2 equal to 1 plus e power minus j 2 pi by 3 into 2 plus 2 into e power minus j 4 pi by 3 into 2. Therefore 1 plus e power minus 2 into 2 4 pi by 3 j 4 pi by 3 plus 2 into e power minus 2 into 4 8 pi by 3 j 8 pi by 3. You are using Cal C. We are using Cal C. E power minus j 4 pi by 3 value is minus 0.5 and also e power minus j 2 pi by 3 also minus 0.5. Then 1 minus 0.5, 2 into 0.5 is minus 2. Sorry, into 2 minus 1 equal to value is minus 0.5. X of 2 equal to minus 0.5. Therefore magnitude and phase spectrum of the, this is the x of k equal to x of 0, x of 1, x of 2. You know here x of 0 is value 4, x of 1 value is minus 0.5, x of 2 equal to minus 0.5. Same. We plot the graph magnitude first magnitude and phase spectrum. First we draw the magnitude of the x of k. So here value magnitude of x of k equal to 4 minus 0.5 0. We are using calci. Find out the magnitude and phase. We are using calci. In this we are complex mode and radiance mode. Then after here x of 0 equal 4, we press 4 and shift plus, this is convert into radians, equal, this is the magnitude of 4, this value, magnitude is 4, and shift equal, phase equal to 0. Then after goes to second value x of n equal to 0 minus 0.5, shift plus equal, this is the magnitude of this value, this magnitude of this value is 0.5, shift equal, this value is phase 3.14, 3.14 means 5. Similarly minus 0.5 magnitude is 0.5 and phase is pi. You plot the graph of magnitude and phase given below. K, x of k, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. First x of 0, in this 0 magnitude is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the x of 0 value is magnitude is 4, this is 4. X of 1 0.5, this value is 0.5 means 0.5, this value is 0, x of minus 0.5 value is also 0.5, this 0.5. This is the modulus of x of k, magnitude of the spectrum, sorry, magnitude of the DFT, and phase of the x of k equal to k, x of k 0, 1, 2, 3. X of 0 in phase equal to 0, first 0, so this is 0, then after goes 5, this is pi, then 0.5 also pi, 0, 1, 2, 2 also pi, this is 0, pi, pi. This is the phase angle x of k, phase spectrum of the x of k. Thank you. This is magnitude and phase spectrum of the DFT. Thank you, and please subscribe the channel and share the video.